So in the last video I promised to talk about how to get down to the 2 microamp level in your project. So I'm going to show you 2 resources in order to find out how to do that. First of all, I'm going to show you an example project in START for the L21. So browsing examples and searching for power, and we have the L21 selected. We can see the example demonstrates power consumption, sleep mode and waking on the UART traffic. So let's open this example. And we can see a little bit about the application, and the user guide is a good place to start. Demonstrate the power consumption, sleep mode, run the data visualizer in Atmel Studio, and example uses the asynchronous UART driver to communicate with the console via an embedded debug and the COM port. Okay, and important, there's only a 1200 baud rate for the UART which we need to set up. Okay, so let's have a look at the UART, for instance. Here they're using UART detection, and there's that 1200 baud rate. What is interesting for us to look at here is the clock configuration, and especially the UART. We can see that this is running from the ultra low power internal oscillator off generic clock 4 and at only 32 kilohertz. Okay, let's download and run this project. And once we've pulled it into Studio, we'll have the following. Just run the project now. Connect. We'll search for the ADP, and we need a serial port as well. So the serial port 98 1200 baud. We can connect, and let's say that we want to look at power. So here we can see the low power demo, blinking LED, and here we can see the power consumption. And the power consumption is about 23 microamps, and every time we push an S, we can see that we wake up the microcontroller and initially, and then it comes back down to the 23 microamps. Okay, so the other resource I want to show you is a low power training using ultra low power modes in the L21, and here there's quite a lot of good information, description of the different power modes, for instance the standby that we've been using today. A link to this training material you'll be able to find in the comments to this YouTube video. So I'm going to set this as the startup project, so that when I compile now, I'll be compiling the other solution. And now if I'm running, you can see that we are at 533 microamps, but if I push the GPIO here, now we go into a sleepwalking mode, and we can see 1,500 nanoamps, so in the region of 2 microamps that we are running at. Okay, thank you.